on, get out of here. Come on, easy now. All right, that's the last one.
You won't believe the condition of this Phantom. The rust is extensive, we need entirely new panels, and the engine is seized.
The corrosion here is extensive. We're looking at a full frame off.
The structural integrity is compromised in several spots.
The corrosion here is extensive, especially the suspension mounts.
The brake lines are completely shot. This will require a full...
The corrosion on the engine block is severe. It's completely seized.
I don't think this is salvageable. We're looking at a total replacement.
The wiring loom is also completely shot.
This is even worse than I thought. The oil is totally degraded.
Absolutely shot. This is going to take a lot of work.
This frame is completely shot. I've never seen a Phantom this bad.
We'll need months just to source the parts, boss.
Did you see that just fall off?
Yeah, it's completely rotted through. This is worse than we thought.
The alignment is absolutely flawless down the whole side.
Agreed.
Yeah.
It's magnificent. Ready for the showroom.
how's the clearance looking on the dampener?
Seems good. This bolt is secure.
The fuel mixture is optimized now. She's running much cooler. That explains the smoother idle. Yeah, you've done excellent work.